Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Fling AI companion app. Fling AI is available as a web app as well as a mobile app that you can download for both iOS and Android, as you can see here. You can even join their Discord by clicking the link up here, and you can join their Discord. First, you can go to try web app here, and once you do that, you can explore the many AI characters that you can chat with. So I will choose someone right here, and once you do that, you'll see that you need to log in with your email and password. You can log in with either Google or Apple. You can even click sign up right here if you have neither. Once you go to the sign up page, you just need to key in your email and password and click create account. And once you do that, you will see that you will need to sign up in order to unlock pro features. You can go for the monthly plan or the yearly plan and click continue. You can key in your payment info here in order to subscribe to Fling.ai to start using. But if you don't want to subscribe, you can try it for free by claiming your daily reward, as you can see right here. And you would just need to create your personal details. I'll just need to create my details here. And you can even select your preferred language for anything from English to Chinese to Russian. I'll just click English and you need to click done. And once you do that, I'll go back to the original page and start chatting with the character that I choose. So I'll choose this character right here. And you can see that I can start chatting. But be aware that when you start chatting with an AI bot, you will use up your coins. And you will need to unlock the Pro feature by subscribing in order to continue chatting with your AI chatbot. So I'll just answer her question. And as you can see, the replies are pretty fast. However, do keep in mind that in order for them to reply in voice, you need to unlock the Pro features as well. You can even ask for a photo of them for the appropriate amount of coins, such as selfie, full body, and whatever prompt that you desire right here. Of course, you can unlock this in the Pro version as well. You can even give gifts, such as flower gifts, whiskey, and cocktail that uses up hearts, as well as your coins. And you just need to click buy and add a message below if you want to, as you can see here. Now you can create your own character. As you can see at the left tab here, and click on plus, you can generate realistic or fantasy. Let's say you create fantasy, and you can start entering your prompt. So I want to say long blonde hair, striking eyes, green eyes, and then you can select the gender and choose your style. As you can see here, choose this style, and I'll click continue. And you just need to wait for Fling AI to generate your character. And as you can see here, your character has been generated, and you can even click generate more if you want. Now I just click continue and select voice.
Can't wait to know you better. Hey, hope you're having a great day. Can't wait to know you better.
Hey, hope you're having a great day. Can't wait.
Hey, hope you're having a great day. Can't wait.
Hey, hope you're having a great day.
I'll select this one, click continue, and then I can choose their personality. It's romantic, and I can enter all their personal info here. Once you've keyed in all your prompts, just need to click continue and wait, and you'll see a bunch of information being generated, and you just need to create your character here with the appropriate amount of coins. Another scenario is to create roleplay. Now you can just go to any generic roleplay that you would like to join, and you can assign the character, and you can assign yourself and start the scenario and load the roleplay. So you can just continue chatting with the bot like so. And finally, there's live show, where your character can act based on the prompts that you give her that have been pre-planned right here, and you can just click on them in order for them to do a live show for you. You can even unlock the more adult version here as well. and basically unlock all the features if you join their Pro version. And that is how you use Fling AI. Have you tried using Fling AI? Let us know in the comments what you think. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tutorials. And see you in the next video.